Hey there! Have you seen an unexpected stain on your granite or quartz countertops lately? Maybe a marker, a drop of coffee, or something even less expected, like sushi. Don't worry, the professionals here at Surface Designers can help. Granite and quartz are two of the most durable and strongest materials for kitchen countertops. They're also resistant to daily stains and scuffs, which is why they're so popular in modern kitchens. Here are some practical ways you can care for your granite or quartz countertops. Clean with warm water and a soft sponge or cloth. Be sure not to use any abrasive cleaners or chemicals on them, as they can damage or scratch their surface. Protect your stone surfaces from scratches by using coasters, placemats, and trivets when placing hot pans on them. Avoid placing sharp objects on them. Do not slide pots across the countertop, and never use steel wool pads or abrasive cleaners on them. Never use anything but mild soap to clean your granite or quartz countertops, even if they look dirty. Granite is porous, which means that it absorbs liquids like water quickly and can also absorb stains. If you use too much soap on your countertops, it can leave residue behind that may cause damage over time. Soap residue will make your granite more porous, which means it'll absorb more liquids and could eventually lead to cracking or chipping of the stone surface. If you want to keep your countertops looking like new, resealing them with our stone surface sealing services will do the trick. Resealing your granite or quartz countertops can help ensure that they stay looking beautiful for years to come. With these professional services, you'll be able to avoid stains and keep your counters looking fresh for years to come. Surface Designers Resurfacing are the experts when it comes to resealing your countertops. Contact us today at 832-7424-3388 for more info. I hope to see you in the next video.